क्लाइमेट एक्शन, यूपीएससी का फेवरेट एलिमिनेशन टॉपिक। डायरेक्ट फैक्ट्स नहीं, फ्रेमवर्क कंफ्यूजन टेस्ट होता है। सबसे पहले बेसिक्स क्रिस्टल क्लियर करें। यूएनएफसीसीसी इज अ फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन, लीगली बाइंडिंग टारगेट्स नहीं देता। The Kyoto Protocol follows a top-down approach and sets legally binding emission targets only for developed countries. The Paris Agreement follows a bottom-up approach in which all countries submit nationally determined contributions, with the aim of limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius and preferably to 1.5 degrees Celsius. अब SDGs की बात। SDG 13 Climate action includes mitigation, adaptation and capacity building. बट ध्यान रखिए, SDGs legally binding नहीं है। यूपीएससी का फेवरेट ट्रैप, इन्वायरमेंट लिंक्ड फ्रेमवर्क्स याद रखें। The Ramsar Convention focuses on wetlands. UNESCO deals with World Heritage Sites and biosphere reserves. The Plant Genetic Resources Treaty, ITPG-RFA, aims to ensure food security and protect farmers' rights. UN initiatives in this area include UNEP, IPCC and the Green Climate Fund. अब चलते हैं हाई लेवल PYQs पर। सोचने वाले सवाल। Which statement correctly differentiates UNFCCC and Paris Agreement? Check the options on screen. So correct answer is option B. Paris Agreement allows nationally determined targets. Paris follows NDC-based bottom-up approach. UNFCCC only provides framework. चलो next PYQ solve करते हैं. Which feature was unique to the Kyoto Protocol? Check the options. So here correct answer is option C. Legally binding targets for Annex 1 countries. Kyoto imposed binding targets only on developed nations. Next, SDG 13 mainly focuses on Statement 1, climate mitigation. Statement 2, climate adaptation. Statement 3, capacity building. See options on screen. Correct answer is option D. SDG 13 covers mitigation, adaptation, and institutional capacity. Next, Ramsar sites are designated to protect. Chalo batao, which one will be the correct answer option? Correct answer is option C. Ramsar refers to wetlands and not to forests or oceans. UPSC prelims में climate questions तब गलत होते हैं जब frameworks mix हो जाते हैं। Clarity marks दिलाती है। For more such high-level explanatory PYQs and smart elimination tricks, log into Yuki, where UPSC concepts become scoring tools.